Hi Geminis, welcome back to my channel Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Follow me on Instagram SSHELLS Essentials Running. Let's start with your reading, okay? And this is going to be right from 17th May till 23rd of May 2021, though timeless readings, okay? One card came out of my Rider-Waite while I was shuffling, and you are going to have a thoughtful communication or kind of like conversation with someone, okay? I heard as if like this is going to be communication, or however you say conversation, with the stop, okay? So something that stopped, something that was not happening, something that got delayed or on and off, you're going to get into conversation, however you want to put that, communication, conversation, the talk, okay? Basically this is going to happen. So you have like overall vibe, your heart energy, however I say, like heart card, heart energy. So this is going to be this is because for you guys, twin soulmates connections, so your overall energy for this particular week even and the coming month as well is going to be intense communications or communication, okay? So intense talk, Ace of Swords, it's about everything will be cleared out. This is going to be the truth, this is going to be the breakthrough. This is going to be something that is in demand to be said and then done. Something that you need to write, something that you get to the person, or however goes vice versa. So this is about all, I feel like everything will be out, like communication. Whatever was in air, like falling, or was in air moving, this is going to get hold on some situation. So I feel like getting hold over situation is coming. This may be with the love, okay? Cupid is sleeping but swans are meeting. So I feel like the work is done. The work is done, the journey shall begin, or someone is en route for you. This may be for many of you the person you know, obviously. I'm not using this deck though, but the first card is Gentleman, Ace of Hearts, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, but a gentleman offer, okay? It's an offer, let's see. This is something, this is what I think about you, this is what I want about you, okay? Someone stole your heart, or someone is in this process of stealing your heart, or you stole someone's heart. Someone who is sad, or someone who is disappointed with love, or basically they are in grief or sorrow kind of situation. Someone who lost someone, okay? This is a widower. Someone who is healing from the past or making peace with certain kind of situation in their life. There may be a businessman here. I heard tragedy, possible something happened with this person, or or your situation. You also have thief, okay? Falling like this. I feel like this is someone's unexpected entry in your life. Someone who stole your heart, stole the situation. I'm also hearing, I don't know for what, it is like behind the scenes. Some communication happening with a certain someone when the person is unaware. Like when someone was away, this happened. It is also about the child. The child possibly you have, or the person you are involved with does have. However, this is also the birth of something between you both. But during this communication, I see someone is or was not telling you the exact truth, and I feel that in this time frame it's going to be out and about, okay? I also see like someone who want to get hold on the situation is lying. So this may be custody, This may be something else to control, basically what's going on, to control. There is a communication happening, okay, and this communication is with the person. Something stopped, okay. So there's going to be a pickup energy. Yes, I talked about that someone is disappointed, sad, disheartened here, 5 of Cups, and is really disappointed with the fact that someone lied to them or cheated, or there was a lot of deception and it was undercover, like something that was like done, but it was done as in like covering up the matter. So we'll see. So here you go, everything will be cleared out, I feel. Two of Wands energy. I feel someone is waiting here to enter in someone's life, but it's also not allowed. So they are trying to get to the point via certain communication or telling the truth. Ultimately, the truth will be out. So that's why I said breakthrough. It's also influencer, kind of like someone who is influencing or manipulating someone. This energy could be male or female. However, this situation is telling me that there's kind of a word I heard, abduction kind of, or they tried to, someone tried to, because someone was so much in sorrow, or you know, they lost something, that in the meantime things happened here. Someone who is having a lot of money here, I see, influential person. It's also should I or shouldn't I kind of energy. With the Two of Wands energy, someone is trying here to get into or get along with you, or you are doing it. So the energy is all about working on something, making plans with someone. There's a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy, and this is your vibe, I feel. Very strong Gemini. I heard you're on the move. If this goes for you, it's like you're on the move. Something that you're going to decide here, something that you're very strong with. I don't know, whenever I see this King of Swords, I feel like the energy of female. So possible you are dealing with the female vibe, or you are the female vibe, okay. However, this is King of Swords, so this may be another Libra or Aquarius, but I do get this vibe, not to keep you confused, this is you, okay. This may be about the particular energy or person here, Aries, the Emperor. This might be your energy to take over something. This may be business. I heard in the meantime, someone is taking someone's responsibility, you know, covering of what is left, taking control over certain situation. There's a secret around you, or there's a secret around this situation, and that secret is hidden. This may be the secret is hidden about an affair. Hidden, the Moon, the side that you are unaware, the side that you don't know. Moon, Piscean, duality of the state as well. There's also decision in the mid of two. It's like one thing that is over or resting in peace, kind of, actually. Someone is trying to figure out a way to escape from this situation, because something already is happening, especially here, widower and the thief. Someone over here is paying the karma as well, like their actions, their karma. But there I see like something that is over, or someone who is planning on to the decision, the next choose here. That's what is. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, but this is also an approach of someone. Maybe someone over here was figuring out when is the right time. I exactly cannot say that you can trust this person, whoever this is, because I don't have that vibe. But there is a communication with this spot, with the spot, with the stop, I wanted to say, sorry. But possible, earlier I was about to say, because this is like a stop spot. So maybe something, a spot where you left is the startup of something as well. Knight of Cups, an offer, apology, handshake, new journey here as well. Like I said, so in the meantime. So in the meantime, someone who is trying to get this opportunity in order to get close to someone. In the meantime, when someone is lost as in sorrow and grief, that's when. Choosing the one someone love, or choosing the one, or choosing the pathway that they love. Here, Nine of Cups energy. Someone's desire is coming true. Someone's fulfillment is here. However, for the other energy, there's kind of a loss. I don't know who this energy is. Or maybe after the loss and healing, you're on this go. Like I'm hearing you need to be there where you need to be. Meeting the one you love, or someone who is in love with you here, I'm telling you that, and they are like they lost something in the past, recent or distant, and then there is someone who is trying to get hold of the situation now in a negative or a positive way. This is someone possible who is not wrong for some cases, because thief is reversed. There's also a child. Like this is the best time to take care of them as well. Okay, it's like being too naive and too nice towards the energy, towards the person. That's when I see in the future something starting. Someone's heart is melting, like cracking up. Okay. I told you that Ace of Swords, it's like the communication or break the truth, or startup of something with the stop energy or stop situation, and you got the Hanged Man on that. So it's something that you're going to acknowledge or contemplate, or something that people are going into communication with the halt situations here. Something that was at cross or is at cross. This is a decision. This is a big decision. I'm telling you that. Let me see. From my own deck here, something that was on hold goes that way, kind of energy which was like on stop. Please, can you give us the card? It's something like so given on this, the word is written Allah, Mia, Kara. I mean the words, I don't know if this is someone's name obviously, but the other word as well, like some in other language. Okay, so possible. Like I have this feeling of like this is the right time for me to enter, and the one won't even realize that I'm entering. Did I talk about cracking up? Someone's heart is opening, cracking up. It's like now I'm ready, especially here in this future. I feel like many of you are going through very major decisions here, big and hard and even hurtful decisions here. But you're maintaining this your King of Swords vibe here. I see that. You're very clear with the fact what you want, and you're not surrendering or you're not settling for anything here less. There's also child energy. I see like something. This could be birth of love or birth actual. Union I see for you, future. This is union with a smile. The union that someone does want. You have Nine of Cups energy. You are cracking up. You have Knight of Cups. Like the person is now ready. Now, like something is over. I did my part. I tried. Like I have this feeling that someone who did lost someone in the actual sense, or someone who is overcoming the past of separation, or feeling alone for a very long time, kind of like lonely. Being alone for a while is good idea to be in a hermit zone, but I feel like someone is feeling that I shouldn't be wrong when I choose someone or I go into something or in a next relationship. So someone might be feeling here that, am I a thief? Am I wrong in this activity? That kind of energy is coming, okay? That's why they're like, I don't know, what should I do? But the point is, there is a great deal or demand of someone who need love and care, okay? Someone is also saddened with the fact that who will take care, like who will give the love of mother or father to my child. There is a child, I'm telling you, and then I think like it's been just months born and something happened. Something happened, might be codependency as well. It's not always a tragic of like actual losing, yes, but this also. Gemini. For some cases in the relationship, someone was not truthful, okay, which is about, I said so, covering up, deception, cheat in the meantime. So if that kind of energy is going on, then you have give your relationship a chance, or the relationship is here that you are giving a chance. This is work on your partnership. Express your love. Wait. Someone was doing flirt or involving somewhere in the meantime in a TP situation, and that's why things got stuck in the relationship. Reconciliation. So some of you, unions happening, reconciliation happening, which is good. Someone from your past is returning to your life. Here you go, give your relationship a chance. Honeymoon. In order to spend time, which is enjoy the bliss of holiday time together. This is also journey, being together, which is about, I said so, here. Someone is opening up towards you and they're sorry also, or goes vice versa. Being with the love of their life, okay? Now, however it pertains with you, apply it. There is some blessing on you, people. Something is here. I heard like something that is saving the relationship to get like break or fall apart. It's someone who is saving, or someone is bringing something in someone's life which is going to be I cannot say like it's stars and moons, but it's going to be well maintained and perfect here, okay, in the own ways. So many of you are going to go on like kind of like retreat and giving chance. Preserving, not preserving, protecting. Preserving is that it's preserved and you cannot even play with that, but it's protection, okay? That's what I see. So many of you who are feeling like, it's not, it's going to change, it's going to be like this, you're going to be happy. That's what I see. Finally, this is like a finally found you, okay? So the energies who are feeling like, I feel like sorry. Look, I was just getting the cards together and the widower was like this and it's flipped like this, okay? So something that they are releasing, and they're releasing you, or you're releasing the other energy totally in order to move. And I feel like the one person over here they don't want to be wrong while continuing something, choosing something after a long time here. That's what I feel. Okay, so I don't want to be wrong on my part. Take care. I love you. See you soon. Bye.